Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nazia, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. I know I've been gone for a very long time and you guys have been waiting on another tutorial, and I apologize, but school, life, and everything else, as you know, gets in the way. Now today's video is basically going to be a 3-strand twist, and then, you know, with the twist out, if you've been following me for a minute, what's up? Hey, welcome back, baby. And if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can be part of the supremacy too. I also want to add in this video that I will be doing a giveaway. I partnered with Deva to, you know, give you guys a curly hair kit. And so basically what you get, the no poo, you get the conditioner, boom. What else do you get? And then you get the leave-in and 2 styling products to try out, which is, or I think these are 2 styling products. Actually, it's 1 styling product, which is the Super Cream, which I'll be using today, and the Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. So, yep, I'll leave the rules and everything down below in the description box. Yeah, throw them in the description box. And I guess we're just gonna jump straight into this video. And I'll announce the winners on the 15th. And that's about it, y'all. So let's just get into this this tutorial, okay? This tutorial. Alright. Enough said. Just wanted to put everything back in the box. Oh, also, right, with the box, they have different, like, cause you know we all have different types of hair. They have like different boxes. So you got like a super curly, a curly, and I think like a wavy. So yeah, okay, Deva girl. But yeah, let's just have a straight into this video. So first I'm just gonna start by braiding the sides of my hair down. So next I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off into 2 sections. So now I'm just going to go ahead and re-moisturize my hair by adding some water and some leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'll be using is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is a really good leave-in just because it mixes well with a lot of different products. And I'm just sectioning my hair off again just to work in smaller sections. So next I'm going to take some Deva Curl Super Cream and I'm going to be using this to define and style my twist. So when starting your 3-strand twist, you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled, and you're going to start it off as a braid. I found this to be the easiest method for me. And then once you kind of braided it down just a little bit, you're going to take the furthest strand and bring it all the way over to the right, and then you're going to continue to do this all the way down. So as you guys can see, the furthest one on the left goes all the way over to the right and crosses both of the 2 strands, and you're going to do this all the way down the length of your hair. Now the hardest part for a 3-strand twist is really just keeping the sections from getting tangled in with each other. But other than that, it's pretty simple. So once you work your way to the bottom, you're just going to want to go ahead and finger coil, and you are all set. And you have your first 3-strand twist. So here it is once again sped up. Hopefully you guys can get it from this demonstration. One, I'd like to make a note, I have all this stuff all over my face. Two, just go ahead and put a scarf on so that you're ready for the next day. So once you're done, you're just going to want to oil your hands up. I used Argan Oil of Morocco from OGX, and now you're just going to want to start unraveling your hair by untwisting it the opposite way you twisted. So here I'm just showing you how I would go ahead and separate some of the actual twist. You're going to want to start from the root and kind of work your way down and see where it wants to separate naturally, and then pull it apart. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs or my edges or whatever you want to call them, but they're getting laid today. And yeah, I just used an Eco Styler, and then I'm going to fluff and separate until my heart's desire, until I have a bomb twist out. So you guys, like I said, this is the finished look. Definition go crazy. When I say go crazy, I mean it go crazy. It is soft, it's shiny, it's moisturized, all that good stuff. This twist out is just bomb twist out overall. Products I used, y'all already know what I used because I showed them to y'all. And if you haven't already, go ahead and enter the giveaway so you could possibly win. Yeah, that's about it. And this is your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.